Hello, I'm Sarah Taylor and welcome back to the ABCs of Real Estate. Today we're on to the letter V and I'd like to talk to you about vacation rentals. There are lots of things to consider when you buy a property. One of those things is to decide if you want to use it as a short-term rental, a long-term rental, or just your own second home. Some things you might want to consider is how much time do you want to spend in the property yourself? How much money do you want to make on the rentals? What are the restrictions on your loan types? Are there going to be penalties if you turn your second home into a vacation rental? These are all sorts of questions you might want to run by your professional team. Now, I'm not just talking about your real estate professional, but what about your mortgage lender, your tax professional, your accountant, and etc. There are lots of factors to consider, so let's break those down together. When you're having a vacation home, there might be more upfront costs than with a long-term rental. Things to consider are, you'll have to furnish the home. You'll need to bring the decor and furnishings as well, such as kitchen, pots and pans, linens, all the towels and sheets, as well as cleaning supplies for your renters. There are fewer upfront costs with the long-term renter because they typically bring their own furniture and they will usually pay their own utilities as well. So if you like the steady and comfortable income of getting the same amount of money each month, if your tenant pays on time, a long-term renter might be a really great solution for you. But if you're wanting to see if you can maximize your return on investment, perhaps you should consider a vacation rental. Now, keep in mind, not all neighborhoods and not all cities will allow short-term rentals everywhere. So you might have your real estate professional order you some CC&Rs to see what restrictions are on the home you plan to purchase. CC&R stands for covenants, conditions, and restrictions and can tell you the specifics of what's allowed right there for your home. Maybe you would like to be within an HOA, so your home is a little more lock and leave. They might tend to more of the exterior maintenance, the roof, the landscaping, the snow removal, and all that sort of stuff. But you'd want to budget in that monthly, quarterly, or yearly HOA payment into your budget as well. Or perhaps you'd like to be in a more rural area where there's plenty of room to park RVs and boats alongside the house and fewer restrictions on property use. I'd love to talk to you more about vacation rentals. In fact, here in Northern Arizona, in the Flagstaff area where I'm located, we have 4 or 5 million travelers through here a year. And so there's lots of opportunity to house the guests while they're here on a visit. We have a ski resort here on the mountain. There's a university here that draws a crowd from far and wide, as well as being just a little over an hour away from the Grand Canyon National Park, which is one of the 7 wonders of the world. Lots of opportunity here, but lots of factors to consider as well. So feel free to reach out to me directly at 928-607-3015. I'm happy to discuss it with you at length or point you in the right direction to get your questions answered. Take care and have a great day.